Namaskar, respected parents and dear students. Today I am going to give a demonstration related to how to apply the principles of Vedic mathematics in school curriculum. See, Vedic mathematics is a very deep, but if you are thinking that Vedic mathematics is like a summer camp, then respected parents and my dear students, you will only gain the information. Vedic mathematics is a subject, is a topic for a deeper knowledge, and this will help you throughout your lifetime. Because whatever class you are, Vedic mathematics will help you throughout your school time, throughout your competition, college time, and even ahead. So now let us see. This is a class 6th sum which I have taken from the book of Shri R S Aggarwal. It says difference between the place value and face value of 7. So let us first make both the digits available with us. See, 7 is here. So the place value of 7 is, I am writing it here, 7. There will be 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now see, it says face value. Face value of a number is what the number is. So it will be 7. Now we have to subtract this and we have to find the answer. Now see, if we apply the sutra, the principle of Nikhilam of Vedic mathematics, Nikhilam says -1 from the first digit, last from 10 and all from 9. Now let me further demonstrate this to you. See, -1 from the first, I am making a temporary partition type of thing so that it will be more clear to you. Last from 10, last digit is 7, we will subtract it from 10, we get 3. All from 9. Now what is left? This portion is left. So there are 5 zeros. So what we are going to do? We are writing 5 times 9s. This will be the answer. And why? Because actually there are no digits, but actually we can say there are zeros. So 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0 and 9 minus 0. So our answer will be 699 999 3. Check, total there are 7 digits. Our answer is also in 7 digits. So this way we can easily apply Nikhilam to this and we can so easily find the answer. Otherwise what happened? The student has to struggle a lot in taking a borrow. Every time he takes the borrow. While through Vedic mathematics, what we already made it 9. The student first give it a borrow. When the reverse, the back side of the number, he has to take that 9 in this case. So why don't we take the 9 in the beginning only? So -1 from the first, all from 9, last from 10. See how easily, without fear, we have done this sum. And if my student practices this, the student can easily do orally such type of sums. Thank you.